Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to avoid PayPal fees when receiving money. So when you're receiving money, you're not able to dodge these fees easily. So actually when you're receiving money, the only way you can do this is by doing this. So when you go to PayPal and someone's going to send you your money, you'll ask them to send you via the family option. So let's just select my friend right here. So here, my friend, I'm gonna send like this much. So then we press next, and then from here, all you want to do is actually for friends and family. So buyer protection won't apply here, meaning there won't be any fees that will be incurring. So there's gonna be no tax regulations with this. So all you have to do is press this, and then press next, and then here when you press next, there's going to be a breakdown of your fee, and then there's going to be it's either you choose to pay in the PayPal balance or in your local credit card or debit card. So there you go guys, that's how you avoid PayPal fees when you're receiving money. Tell your sender to send it in the family and friends section. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.